things that I never know.
Hey guys, it's Ray from EPM. Today we're doing an installation video of a dash camera for the current model BMW X5. I'm going to go through how basically we're doing some planning first. So first of all, we're going to be able to open this part of the assembly up and replace this whole component with the dash camera. And then we're going to be running the cable all the way under the headliner and into the A pillar, if I can focus on that. And then obviously we're going to be open up this trim here, run the wire all the way down, okay, inside the rubber trim. And then here is the actual ODP2 port. So we're going to be plugging straight into that, and that's pretty much it. I've just taken off the factory assembly. You can see they're just two pieces of plastics and there's nothing inside. And I've already installed half of the dash camera. You can see it's a perfect fit. So these are factory hardware, and this is the camera unit itself. And then I've already put half of it there. Just have to close the second half. And then before I do that, obviously I would need to make sure the wire goes inside and goes around this car. But the most difficult part is opening up this part and then put it together, which takes about 5 minutes anyway, so the rest is very, very simple. So we have finished the installation. So this is what the camera looks like. That's the SD card, and you can either stream off this Wi-Fi and download it onto your phone directly, or you can take off the card and put it into your computer via USB reader, which is provided in the box. And then you can see it's really nice, exactly same look and feel and has the original car, and all the wires are hidden nicely underneath. So yeah, so I think it looks pretty neat from outside as well.